Dust accumulates too fast. Before you know it, your new spick and span keyboard is riddled with dust sinking under and in between keys. It loses its overall aesthetic, subtly demotivating you to compose the urgent email you need to send out, typing up your report, or enjoying your game. Clear traces of filth on your keyboard will even make you less professional and leave a bad impression of others about you. But brushing every speck of dust is such a hassle, taking ages to finish. Using canned air, on the other hand, requires you to buy a new one again when it runs out. So, here's an easier way to make your keyboard spotless clean again. In this post, we'll be covering how to clean the average external keyboard. We also have a guide on how to clean a Mac and mechanical keyboards. Keep tabs on those by subscribing to this channel. So to get started, you'll need your Joinstar's Turbo Mini Keyboard Cleaning Kit. Turbo Mini comes with 5 different nozzles to clean every nook and cranny. But other than that, you also get keyboard brushes and a keyboard cleaning gel to take care of the grimy parts. The first thing you need to do is remove the loose dirt. Flipping it over and tapping the dirt off will leave a mess on your station. So a better way to do it is to use Turbo Mini's vacuum function to suck up any loose dirt you can find. Some specks of dirt are more stubborn than the others, so attach the slim nozzle on the Turbo Mini with the blower function. Go around the keyboard and in between keys to agitate embedded dirt. With loose dirt in the way again, use the vacuum function to suck those up. Now, with the dusty particles gone, it's time to take the grime. Use the cleaning gel, put it over the grimy area of your keyboard for at least 5 seconds before rolling it over to another section. You will definitely love how your keyboard looks again. To prevent it from accumulating all the dirt again, avoid eating near your keyboard and regularly go over your keyboard with Turbo Mini so dust and dirt don't pile up. Wanna get more keyboard cleaning tips? Get notified by clicking the bell button and get updated with new posts by subscribing to this channel. To get your hands on your own Turbo Mini, check out the description below to get a link. This is Joinstar's, your DIY cleaning expert.